前回のビデオでは definite article and indefinite article について勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、今 Vtuber です。今日は zero article について勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. So we have learned that definite articles are the, while indefinite articles uses a and an. Zero articles are often used with general concepts, plural nouns, or uncountable nouns. Let's take a look at the examples. We use zero articles with plural nouns when we're speaking generally. Dogs are loyal animals. Dogs is a plural noun. You can also use zero articles with uncountable nouns when you're speaking generally. Water is essential for life. Water is an uncountable noun. Zero articles are also used with name of countries, cities, or languages. Singapore is my second home. You could also use with proper nouns. I met Lisa yesterday. Now that we have learned these three types of articles, let's talk about it in a single topic. For indefinite article, I want to buy a pair of headphones. Definite article, the headphones you recommended are amazing. I'm talking about that specific headphone that you recommended to me. For no article, headphones are essential for good sound quality. Okay, that's all for today. Zero article についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。